every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend.
Good afternoon from Singapore. This is the view I have from my room at midday. Yes, so Singapore has been nice. We're finally checking out, but we have our flight later at night. Yeah, in the wee hours of the night. So we're just checking out and then we will roam around the town. Singapore was nice. We had activities on our first day, so much activities. Then the rest of the days were just relaxing. That's why I can't do any content because there was nothing major happening. So finally we are going back home, and happy 2023 to my people. Just at the hotel lobby waiting for our taxi. The receptionist has requested one for us, so we are waiting. We don't need to download the Grab app for taxi, so we're good to go. Let's wait. Hi, sir.
Okay.
Bugis Junction.
Bugis Junction. Okay.
Okay.
You accept card?
Can.
Okay. Okay. Hold this for me, please. Today is our last day in Singapore, so we just came to this mall. It's called Bugis Junction, just to check out some stuff, enjoy some food, shop a little bit, and then we get ready for our flight later in the night. So let's just enjoy the day. Wow. Baby. Thank you so much. Yeah. Here, wow.
Doors are closing.
We got back to the hotel using the metro. This one mainly operates from underground, so it just drops you next to the hotel.
Lavender. Please mind the platform gap.
Which way? This way.
Thank God we have this possibilities now.
Yeah. This is very nice.
Very good. This thing should be.
This one is even better than the one for Dubai. You don't need no ticket, you just use your card and then you move.
This one is nice.
So even
as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment.
Welcome to the best airport in the world, Changi International Airport. This is one of the largest transportation hubs in Asia, as more than 100 airlines operate from the airport with non-stop or direct flights to destinations in Africa, North America, Middle East, West, Southwest Pacific, Europe, and every other part of the world. The strategic location of Singapore makes Changi Airport a favorable destination for high-demand layovers. By the year 2019, Changi Airport served about 68.3 million passengers, making it the 18th busiest airport in the world.
What?
So our tour guide gave me this as my birthday present. I told him about my birthday late, but he gave me this. We are at Changi International Airport, just going to our gate to board for Dubai. Yes, then we'll have a layover in Dubai and then leave for Nairobi later. So I love Singapore. It's been nice. Malaysia was nice. Singapore was nicer. So let's just go home. This airport is very big, and then you see they always have this. You don't have to walk. You can always just be on these trails, and then they take you to where you are going.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you
And also the rest of the crew for
A
your
very, very new aircraft.
Our flight time today is approximately 7 hours and 10 minutes. We'll be cruising at 40,000 feet. Each on our arrival time and weather conditions in Dubai. This day, sit back and relax and
with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I know where to find, I'm standing right here.
This is my first time flying Airbus A380 800 by Emirates. Guys, do you know what this means? So the Airbus is the world's largest passenger airliner and the only full-length double-deck jetliner, meaning it has both upper deck and lower deck. Like when you sit in the economy class, you feel like you have enough leg room, like the plane is just spacious. Airbus also serves different food. Like the normal Emirates I fly with, we always have like a certain type of food. I don't know if other people can testify to this, but it's always just the same kind of food. But this one had a different one. We enjoyed it. Thank you, Emirates, for the Airbus experience.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that